grave is waiting for you, scary story. The graveyard was never quiet, even at midnight. Wind whispered through the broken headstones, carrying the smell of damp earth and rot. Marcus felt watched as he stepped between the leaning graves, his footsteps sinking into mud that felt freshly turned. The moonlight flickered behind heavy clouds, turning shadows into twisting shapes that seemed to crawl toward him. Near the old oak tree, Marcus noticed a grave that hadn't been there before. The dirt was dark and wet, the headstone clean compared to the others. His breath caught when he read the name carved into the stone. It was his own. There was no date of death, only the words, waiting. A low sound rose from beneath the soil, like fingernails dragging across wood. Marcus staggered back, heart pounding, as the ground slowly shifted. The earth swelled upward, and a pale hand broke through the surface, reaching for the air. He turned to run, but the iron gates slammed shut on their own. Behind him, a voice whispered his name, calm and patient. As the moon vanished behind the clouds, Marcus realized the grave hadn't been waiting for someone to die. It had been waiting for him to arrive.